You want to help other people get better. You have the expertise, you have the experience, you have the know how, and you've decided, hey, I can really help other people with the knowledge that I have, with the information that I have. And you're probably thinking to become a coach, and I know that word coach, it sounds, for me even, strange. And I've coached for the last at least 10 years. I've been coaching and helping other people become a better version of themselves. So it's okay if it feels a little weird to call yourself a coach. Just call yourself somebody who's wanted to help somebody else get better. And maybe you have some experience in it. Maybe it's gone well. Maybe it hasn't. But I haven't seen any videos, and maybe I've just been on the wrong side of YouTube, but I haven't seen any videos really talking about how to coach, how to help somebody to apply the knowledge that you have. Because there are so many people out there trying to package their knowledge into a program, into a course, into something that somebody just plays through or reads through or a combination of both to download all of the knowledge that you have in your brain. And we both know that that's not how you got that information. That's not how you got to the point that you're at. And you want to help the people who are one step, two steps, three steps behind you. Most of the time, you're not going to be working with someone who's starting from scratch. Someone who knows that they need help has already gotten to a certain point in the process. Just like you're watching this video, you've already got experience helping other people. Chances are you haven't started out, or you're not just starting out on your journey. Even making the decision to say, hey, I want to use my expertise to help others to get to where I'm at and beyond, that's already a step in the right direction. So you're not just a beginner. You're somebody with real experience who's tried different things or thought different things or already has some kind of foundation. You're not having to figure out, oh, okay, well, what am I going to help people get better in? Maybe, but you've built a certain level of expertise in several areas if that's how you feel, if you're still making that decision. And this is something that just doesn't get talked about enough. How do you actually help somebody to get better? How do you actually apply or help someone to apply the knowledge and skills that you have? Because school has it all backwards. We're not built to read through a book and be tested on something and then apply it in the world. That's not how our ancestors did things. That's not how you do things. So I always take this example, but I think it's the most perfect example. You didn't learn how to walk by reading through a book. You watched other people walk. You watched other people take steps and you said, hey, I think I can do that too. I'm going to try it. And guess what? You fell down. You failed so many times, but you don't remember those failures. You don't even remember the success of walking. It's so long ago that you don't even remember your first steps. You don't remember everybody cheering. You don't even remember if anyone was around to see them. Chances are you took your first steps and nobody even saw them. So I say all that to say, if you're looking to help somebody to get to where you're at and beyond, because let's be honest, you want to continue to be leveling up in whatever it is you're doing, whatever field you're in, as you're helping other people. You're on your own personal journey. So don't stop your journey to help other people. Yeah, as you're walking, as you're going down the path, right, you're going to be coming in contact with different people and you might stop and have a little conversation. But your eyes are still focused on your path. Because none of this is worth anything if you're just saying, hey, look, I'm good where I'm at. I'm not ambitious in anything anymore. I'm just going to help you. No, even if it is in taking the next step and helping other people, you're still moving forward on your path. Doesn't mean that, for example, in my case, I'm a professional basketball player and I help other basketball players to take the next step. Whether it's going from college to playing professionally, whether it's active professionals, colleagues of mine, taking the next step or getting started playing professionally, or high school players who want to play in college, or middle school players who are looking to make their team. All ages, all levels, I'm helping. But guess what? I'm still playing professionally as well. I just got done with my 7th year. So I've rambled on a little bit, but you're waiting on this revolutionary answer to the question, how do you actually help people to get better? And I don't know if it's revolutionary or not, but it's probably something you haven't heard before. Because everyone, like I said, wants to kind of flex their knowledge and prove that they're worth the money, the investment, the time. Hey, go with me because I know this. My program has this, and this. But that's not how improvement works. Improvement works by meeting people where they're at. For example, if someone were to help me with my YouTube channel, right? I understand. I'm less than a year in, and for those of you who don't know, I'm posting a long form video every single day. That's my own personal journey that I'm on. Posting a long form video that's at least 10 minutes long every single day. So over the course of that, I'm going to improve, right? But if you catch me in this moment right now and you say, hey, I want to help you improve your YouTube channel, guess what? You're not going to teach me how to upload a video, right? If you hand me a course and the first 3 chapters are, hey, this is how you press record on the camera, and. Guess what? I'm going to lose focus. I'm going to feel like, oh man, I just wasted my money. But, and it might take a little bit of extra effort, it might actually reduce the effort. If you say, hey, look, so what are your struggles right now with your channel? Let's take a look at your channel right now. And we'll look at it together. You tell me what you're frustrated about, what you would like to see better, and I'm going to use my expertise to lock in on the one thing that we can change, the one step that we can take forward. So if you look at my channel, it might be like, hey, change locations up a little bit. Switch up the intro. Switch up how you're getting into the video. The meat of the video is good. The information is good, but maybe you can package it better, for example. Who knows? If you're a YouTube expert, maybe you can let me know. That would be cool. But it's about meeting people where they're at. Another example is weight loss, right? Because so many people want to get into the best shape of their life. So many people are unhappy with their bodies. And my girlfriend happens to be a sports scientist, and we both happen to be people who, at one point or another, we were unhappy with our bodies. Even though we were, by all outward appearances, pretty fit and athletic people, I was playing professional basketball, but I felt disgusted with myself. I'm going to be honest. I felt disgusted with myself, and I knew there was more potential there. But guess what? I knew what a calorie was. I knew what a calorie deficit was. I knew so many different things that if you would have thrown me a course on how to lose weight, I would have been like, yeah, I know that. And then I would have felt like, yeah, I'm just stuck. Nothing can work for me because I'm just stuck. There's nothing that can help me to get out of this. And if you feel that way with the coaching thing or with anything, realize, no, because this is going to help you help yourself as well. If you feel like you're stuck, it's not because you know everything and you're just cursed. No, there's just one little switch that you need to flip. I'll give another example. On Instagram, I've amassed, I don't like even saying that, but I've grown my page in my community to now close to 13,000 followers within the last 6 months, more than 6 months, 8 months. Is it 8 months? I don't know. Less than a year. I posted over 400 videos, and in that time, I gained 400 followers. I was in Germany, and I happened to speak German. Das ist dein Beweis, dass ich Deutsch spreche. That's all the German you're getting out of me in this video. But I was in Germany, posting from Germany, and I was thinking, man, the algorithm is only, I'm posting videos in English, and the algorithm is only sending me to Germany because I'm living in Germany. But guess what? I speak German. So I decided to start speaking German in my videos, and then I explained why I'm able to speak such good German. Guess what? That video blows up, and I get over 8,000 followers from that video. I still am getting followers from that video today. I posted it in February. I can't even remember. Many months ago. One small switch can flip everything for you. And that's the same for anybody you're working with, anyone you're helping to improve. It's not about overhauling their entire day and their entire system, right? Going back to the weight loss example, they're probably doing some kind of physical activity, right? The people who understand, hey, I have a problem and I'm at my wit's end with this, it's not just about, hey, I need to just get off the couch and start moving. No, it's about me having struggled and failed and tried and failed, and I can't do this on my own. Can you help me? They're not looking for this completely organized, completely thrown together, cookie cutter plan. They're looking for you to give them that one little switch. And it's not a magic hack. It's not a magic pill, but it's looking at the entirety of what they're doing and saying, this is where the biggest issue is currently. And then after you solve that and figure that out, you take the next issue and the next one and the next one. And then you look up, boom, they're a whole different person after 2 months, 3 months, even 1 month. If you take it week by week and change one thing, adjust one thing, you can change a person's life in 1 month. So I hope this opened your eyes just a little bit to how you can help others to become the best version of themselves, and how you can help yourself to become the best version of yourself. And if you haven't heard any of these things before, if you heard something that you didn't hear before, just make sure you write it down in the comments so it sticks with you. Because for me, I'm big on kind of telling people about something that I learned. For example, if I'm walking around with my girlfriend, something that we did during my basketball season, I would talk about what I want to do or what I need to be focused on during the game, right before the game. If I was playing on the road, I would call her and talk to her and say, hey, yeah, these are the things I'm focused on. So that when I got out onto the court, into the moment where the pressure was on, so to say, I was instinctively already thinking back to that conversation that I had. I had already prepared myself in some way. So when the situations came up that I was talking about, it wasn't new. I knew, okay, yeah, this is what I talked to her about, and this is how I'm going to respond to it. So that's my challenge to you. Just drop it down in the comments. Whatever it is that stuck with you, or whatever you want to stick with you, drop it down in the comments. So when you get into that moment, that comment comes into your mind, and you're not like, I know I should be able to do this. I know I should be able to navigate this situation, but I just can't remember, and there's so much pressure, and I'm feeling this tightness in my chest. No. Set yourself up for success right now. Drop the comment, and make sure you don't miss out on my daily videos, because, yeah, these are the things that I wish I would have heard years ago. That's the stuff I'm sharing every single day. And sometimes it's going to be stuff in this lane. Sometimes it's going to be more general life advice. Okay, so it's not all about building a business or coaching, personal training. This video isn't even about that necessarily. If you're coaching somebody, if you're training somebody, if you're trying to help somebody take the next step in their life, this applies. So it might just be your next door neighbor. You're trying to help your next door neighbor mow his lawn. He said, hey man, your lawn is excellent. How do you do it? Instead of talking about your entire routine, just talk about, hey, next time you mow the lawn, let me just walk with you. And then you can see the different things that he's doing and help him adjust. That's the simple thing. So take that for your own life when you help yourself. If you're just helping somebody in general, keep these things in mind. And definitely, if you're coaching somebody or training somebody and they're looking for you to utilize your expertise to help them take the next step to become 1% better, if you're a parent, if you're a teacher, think about that next time. Meet people where they're at and figure out, what are you already doing well, and what can I maybe give a little bit of advice on, use my expertise to give you that little nudge that you didn't even know you needed. That's the idea. So I appreciate you hanging around, chopping it up with me. I know it's not much of a conversation, a little bit of a one-sided conversation, but yeah, we can start one in the comments. Don't be shy. It was a pleasure having you around, and definitely don't forget that the best is yet to come. Once again, daily videos, long form videos. This is day 45. I don't know. I'm not keeping track anymore, but having a blast. Glad to have you around. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video, I'll see you tomorrow or on the next video. That's what I normally say. And that next video should be here. I switched hands. Normally I have the camera in one hand, but I'm standing up today. Trying something new. New location, new area. The next video should be here. And the option to subscribe and stick around for daily videos, as usual, is here. I'll see you wherever you choose to see me next.